Hello, my pre-K friends. It's Mrs. Farr, and I am so excited today to share with you one of my all-time favorite characters. Today's story is about a frog, and this frog's name is Froggy. And today we're going to be reading the story Froggy Goes to School. Now, Froggy is the main character in this story. That means the story is mainly about him. And Froggy has a bunch of books. That's called a series. And some of the books that we have all of his books in our Duff library. But one of the books is Froggy's Baby Sister, Froggy's Best Christmas, Froggy's First Kiss, Let's Go Froggy, and that's just some of them. But today, you guys are going to listen to the story Froggy Goes to School. My friends, well, I like to pretend they're my friends, but Ryan and Craig are going to read this story to you today. They are storytellers that have their own website, ryanandcraig.com. They also have a KidsTube. They have a KidsTube channel and they also have a channel on YouTube. But my friends who are in pre-K, I do not recommend you going on YouTube by yourself. That is a site that you need to go on with a parent or an older brother or sister when you have your parents' permission. Because a lot of things on YouTube are not always appropriate for my pre-K friends. So you need to be careful, super careful. But they have their own website, and if your parents enjoy this story and you share this with them, maybe they could help you find more stories that Ryan and Craig have read to their other friends online. So I hope that you enjoy this story about Froggy Goes to School. When you're done, I would like you to tell me about a character that you have read stories about. There's lots of different characters. You could draw me a picture of Clifford the big red dog. You could tell me about Pete the cat. You could tell me about the Berenstain Bears, Amelia Bedelia, Pig the Pug. There's so many fun characters in storybooks. And so tell me about one maybe at your house. Who's your favorite character? I have lots, but Froggy is right up there. He's probably in my top 10 for sure. And I think you're going to see exactly why I like him so much after we're done reading this story, Froggy Goes to School. And guess what? In just a short week, we're going to get to go and hop back into school. Now, some of us, I think, might be staying home for a little bit longer, but eventually I'll see you back up at Duff, and I can't wait for that. Enjoy your story.